every time the camera opens up, I feel like saying, hey, guys, I'm literally sitting with Akshat Tongya.
Traveling in a freighter combi on a hippie trailhead full of zombies.
This is insane. Crazy. Too good. Too good.
Hey guys, so it's 5:48 a.m. in Bali. We are going to meet Daniel Dillon. He is in the town. I think he's hosting a meetup. So yeah, it's going to be a run club kind of a thing. We are gonna go on a run with him. Then probably a good breakfast. Going to be a good networking experience with him. We've been following him for a while now. He basically ignited the entrepreneur vlogging in the world. So yeah, I mean, like, he is out there. He's doing a lot of good stuff. So probably we'll have a good conversation with him. And some great insights around branding, because he has been able to do it pretty well in this space. So yeah, pretty excited for that. Going on a run, got my nose strip ready because I have my nasal blocked for now. So we are going over there, and then we'll probably go on a beach, kind of take a dip, good breakfast, and then we'll come back home. So yeah, that's the plan.
Actually, it's all good. All right, everyone ready?
Go. Hey, Bhagashat.
It was right there in front of me, screaming loud. I didn't wanna see. He squeezed his ass, goes down on me, trying to use me up, but I had him like a star.
As always, like, how do I create like a balance, or you can say, how do I max out my output on everything? Because like, if I'm focusing too much on the media, then in some way or the other.
So it's 1:20 p.m. here in Bali. We had a banger of a meetup with Daniel Dillon, and it was really inspiring to see so many people over here. He just posted a 15-second story, and 100-200 people showed up, which was really great. All entrepreneurs, founders, creators, so had a really great time over there. And we spent around, let's say 1 hour or so running, and then 1 hour or so we were just there drinking our coffees, water, hydrating ourselves, networking with people around. We came back, and I just took a nap for 1.5 hours because yesterday we slept at 3 a.m. और फिर हम सुबह 5 बजे उठ गए थे because of the meetup. So my recovery was completely messed up. I just had like 12% recovery or sorts. I was checking it on my Whoop, so if you'll see, it's just 12. It's completely red, and that is why I need to kind of sleep for an hour or so. I just took a shower, and I'm here on the desk. The idea is to completely dial in, lock in for at least 3 to 4 hours. It's 1:20 p.m. so would be working probably around 5-6 p.m. until 5-6 p.m. I have a lot of team calls that I need to do. I have to strategize for some of the clients we are working with. I have to onboard a couple clients. And so yeah, I'm just drinking Red Bull, kind of getting some caffeine in, so I'm able to focus properly. And so yeah, 3 to 4 hours of good dialed in work should get the job done for today, and should set the tone for this coming week, because for this week we have a lot of plans. We are going to be vacating this villa. We'll be moving to a new villa, probably in Seminyak, which is like the heart of the Bali, near Canggu, because there are a lot more places, a lot more networking activities going on. Where we are right now, it's kind of isolated of sorts, but obviously it's beautiful. So that's pretty much the plan, and so I just want to lock in for 2 to 3 days of this week for the first half, and then we can again have fun for the end of the week. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. And yeah, after meeting some good folks over there, I made couple connections, got their number. Probably I'll close them as clients as well. couldn't have asked for a better morning than that, to be very honest. And it was the first time in Bali when we woke up like at 5 a.m. So today was the day when I actually saw sunrise in Bali, which is kind of immense because it's a vibe. The track that we were running on, it was really beautiful with the colors in the sky, the wind blowing, with good people around. So yeah, it's been a great day till now. And yeah, once we are done, we'll probably go for paddle or maybe tennis, depending upon whatever we can find the availability of in the moment. So that's pretty much it. Now I'll just lock in and yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye. Okay guys, so we are in Canggu. Spent last 3 to 4 days in Canggu, explored the place properly. Shagnik and Sahil left for India again. They had a return flight today. And now the boys are ready and kind of packed up to go to Uluwatu. So next 3 days are going to be in Uluwatu. We are going to do some surfing, some peaceful work, good sunsets. That's what Uluwatu is all about. So I'm really excited for that. So, yeah. भाई चैंगू से आते आते 2 घंटे लग गए. उलुवाटू के नए विला में हमने चेक इन कर लिया है. लेट मी गिव यू अ गुड लुक. ये देखो, घर जैसी फीलिंग है यहाँ पे. विल गो टू द बीच. इट्स जस्ट 10 मिनट वॉक. फिर पार्टी. वी नीड टू रिकॉर्ड अ लॉट ऑफ कंटेंट. यस, सही बात करी भाई सक्षम तूने. परफेक्ट. सो विल डू वन पॉडकास्ट. सक्षम ने बोल दिया तो कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता. एंड या अ लॉट ऑफ बी रोल्स फ्रॉम दिस विला. बढ़िया जगह है भाई. सारी शेर डाली हैं और अब हम जा रहे हैं
शेर थोड़ा
बिंजन बीच. गला गीला करके हम जाएंगे बिंजन बीच, जो कि यहाँ से
करेंगे काम,
जो कि है यहाँ से बस 500 मीटर दूर. We just got back from the dinner. और सही बात यह है कि पिछले 5-6 दिनों से कुछ भी काम नहीं हुआ है, राइट. आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन माई एजेंसी. आई हैव नो फ्रिकिंग आइडिया व्हाट्स happening in the journey club and what team is posting and everything. We had a lot of videos ready to be posted on the journey club, but we haven't been in the loop with the team, Saksham and me, for my agency. I haven't been able to talk to my co-founder a lot because we have been busy traveling here and there. So this trip was kind of weird, to be honest. We were getting stuck in between of exploring the places and then getting the work done and then changing the places, figuring things out, building the itinerary because we had no plan. We literally booked the villa in Tanah Lot in Bali, and we just kind of flew over here with no itinerary whatsoever. But then we started getting this kind of FOMO sorts कि भाई यहाँ पे आई गए तो चीज़ें घूमनी तो पड़ेंगी, right? And it takes a lot of time, kind of moving places, going to lunch, dinner, driving the scooties. तो टाइम बहुत लगता है. And Mumbai जाके is gonna be all about locking in. I have a lot of ideas that I want to execute on. I'm especially very excited about my YouTube channel, right? This one, because I have a lot of ideas basically in terms of how I want to document my journey. So that's gonna come your way. But for now, I just want to lock in. Bye. So we just came to Padang Beach for our first ever surf lesson, and just got the entry. Just met the trainer. We are going towards the beach. We'll change clothes up. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. क्या बीच है भाई.
Paro. Step your back leg. Step, yeah. And then that one in the front. Low. Perfect. Yeah. Okay. You do good. Yeah. Okay. Paro. Bring, yeah. Lower. Nice. Okay. Low.
not too wide. Yeah. Shoulder. Okay.
शेर की तरह सोच. पाव उठाना है तुझे पीछे का. Lazy feet मत रख.
Apa ngomong ke?
अगर ऐसा रखा ना तूने पीछे.
Ini,
तो ये
teman.
उठा के जैसे.
Nice
ऐसा है
one.
ना. करके दिखा. तो ये यहाँ पे रख दिया. ऐसे बॉडी उठा रहा है और फिर.
Yeah. Low.
यहाँ बेटे
भाई 11 बजे चेक आउट 10:50 हो गई.
निकलना पड़ेगा तुरंत.
और अपने पास कैश भी नहीं है इसको देने के लिए.
हाँ भाई बिना सांस लिए बोलो.
इमेंस. क्या था भाई.
मजा आ गया भाई.
बैक्सिंग हो गई.
Just got back from my first surfing lesson of my life, and oh boy, it was exhausting. And I was literally couldn't breathe for 30 seconds or so after I was back, and I got washed off on a couple of waves. Was able to kind of ride half a wave, and yeah, like it's much harder than it looks. Obviously, you need stamina, you need balance, you need focus, right? So great adventure. I've been doing it for last 1.5 hours or so, and yeah, it has been crazy good. I mean, like I did it for the first time, and I'm sure I'll just keep doing it more and more every time I'm on the vacation. So yeah, I think that's about this morning. Maza aa raha hai. Uluwatu is something else. I mean, like one of my favorite places in Bali till now. I think it tops the list. Uluwatu tops the list because it gives you good island vibe. There is good greenery. There are cliffs. There is beach. There are good places to party, right? So one of the best places in Bali for sure.
The original plan was कि this will be a founder trip where we'll only work. थोड़ा बहुत कैफे जाके चिल करेंगे.
But
maybe party sometime, but mainly work. And I think उसका बिल्कुल polar opposite किया है हम लोगों ने.
Yeah, we have had a lot of experiences and 4-5 चीज़ों में जो adrenaline हमें मिला है. Surfing, Bali MMA,
sauna, ice bath, and then
Mount Batur.
Mount
The
Batur.
sunrise we saw, extremely
Yeah.
beautiful. And so yeah,
parties were great.
parties were great, but I think adrenaline very different from actually kind of fucking around and partying.
हाँ, तो बाद में dopamine का hit है.
कहाँ मिला है भाई तुम्हें सबसे ज़्यादा dopamine कहाँ
This
मिला
guy
है?
is no similar in real life. He's very professional on camera, but in real life,
Yeah, but now I'm going to be
different.
a lot more
I told
raw.
him कि भाई तेरा असली side
Since
दिखा.
these two
I'm
people told
talking
me.
like
Tera
I'm
asli side
talking
dikha.
to Balinese people because they only understand this type of English. No fast English, only this.
Talk like robot, binary.
She said, do you come from a land down under? Where women go and men wonder. Can't you hear the thunder? You better run, you better take cover.
नए विला में हम आ चुके हैं, राइट. इट्स लाइक सेकंड विला इन उलुवाटू. पहला वाला विला हमने एक दिन के लिए बुक कराया था बिकॉज वी वांटेड टू मेक श्योर दैट उलुवाटू इज अ गुड प्लेस एंड वेयर वी आर गोइंग हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ गुड रेस्टोरेंट्स एंड प्लेसेस टू चिल अराउंड. सो वी आर नॉट श्योर, इसलिए हमने एक दिन का कराया था. एंड नाउ वी हैव चेक्ड इन ऑन अनदर विला. सो आई विल जस्ट शो यू अराउंड. राइट, दिस हाउ इट लुक्स. इट्स स्टिल गेटिंग क्लीन्ड.
क्या अक्षत का फर्स्ट टाइम है क्या?
दिस इज हाउ द विला इज.
अक्षत
क्या ब्रदर?
पक्का पहले नहीं देखा था इस विला को.
This is our living area. Getting cleaned up. This is like the kitchen section. Hitesh.
अरे भाई ओए
This is our this.
नैरेटिव कट.
अक्षय.
हाँ बस. और भाई वीडियो निकाल रहा है भाई स्ट्रेट फॉर.
This is our pool area. Right. Beautiful. Okay. And then this is like one of the rooms. This is like the desk over here. This is the villa. This is the view from the room. Can you believe it? I mean, this is unbelievable. And then we have the mirror here. So yeah, this is where we are. Let's go. I'll also show you washroom. If that's something that you want to see, I'll show you washroom as well. This is the washroom. It's beautiful. Okay. It's like very raw feel to it. And there's the mirror. And then we have the shower area, which is beautiful again because it's like open sky, if you will. So yeah, I am in love with this place. The best villa till now on our Bali trip. 15 दिन हो गए but इसके ऊपर कुछ भी नहीं है.
I met a strange lady, she made me nervous. She took me in and gave me breakfast. And she said, do you come from a land down under?